Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Smart homes. Do you have one? We don't. It's a very dumb home here. I don't want to connect anything to our network if I don't have to. And I know smart homes, very convenient, to be able to access a light remotely. But the thing is, most people trade that convenience of a smart home for security. And in my estimation, that's not a very good trade-off. Most people don't necessarily think that way. It's one of the reasons why smart homes are so prolific. And we're not going to be able to stop these companies from producing smart home products. But the problem is there's no standard, right? You don't know what you're getting. Yes, you can read the features on the label and forget about intercompatibility. That's a completely other matter. But when it comes to security, that's something that's absolutely fundamental, and it's becoming more and more important because we're online all the time, and the things that we connect to our network could very well topple our security, whether or not we realize it. It's one of the reasons I don't have a printer, and I certainly don't have, if I did, I wouldn't put it on my network. No way. So what are we going to do? You've probably seen the Energy Star label. I'm going to use that as an example. This is something you'd see on larger appliances potentially that would normally have a huge energy draw, but it's passed a certification, so okay, well, this is as efficient as it might be possible, right? Or at least it's past that mark for being more energy efficient than something that doesn't have an Energy Star label. Well, no matter what your political persuasion, the Biden administration is now suggesting for the FCC a U.S. cyber trust mark. This is long overdue, and by the way, I don't care who you voted for. I'm all in support of this. Whoever supports this, I'm in support of, because how do we have any degree of confidence that these products that are being put out there for our convenience are not coming at a big cost? Forget dollars. Like, security is, as far as things connected to the internet are concerned, is everything.